might have seen this doing the rounds, the DJI Neo. Well, I've got to say, it's one of the best things you could buy for Christmas, because if anyone's got half an eye on photography, if they've got a little bit of talent, they'll absolutely smash it with this. But if you have no clue whatsoever, all you have to do is turn it on and press a button on the top and it'll do it automatically. So the Neo is great value and probably a must for a stocking stuffer Christmas 2024. It really is tiny at just 135 grams. I've been using it like most people will use it, and that's without a controller. Follow is my favorite.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so wherever I go, it's going to follow me. I'll set it at medium. So let's go. Come on, buddy. Now I'm at a medium distance here, but you can go wider to show more of the rocks and the water. In fact, you can do more adjustments with the app as well. I tried hard, but I couldn't shake it. You got me. I also caught the interest of a local photographer. It's amazing, isn't it? What's your name, mate?
Dean.
Dean, I'm Duro.
Duro,
I'm
nice
an
to meet you,
old photographer from way back.
Oh,
So,
okay,
yeah.
nice, mate.
So anyway, that's you might even make it my story.
Yeah.
And he did just that. Make sure you check him out on Instagram at Max and Captured. There's something really cool about having this autonomous tracking happening around you. This feels very sci-fi, just walking around with this tiny drone. So good. On the run back to base, I was really impressed with the tracking and speed and the smoothness. I mean, just look at the way it keeps me in the same position. It's very much like a video game character, by the way. And it does it all the way with the sun in the background. Great tracking. There are other modes as well. There's droney, circle, rocket, spotlight, helix, and boomerang. They're all putting you in the center of the frame and moving around in various arcs. And when complete, the drone will automatically come back and land in the palm of your hand. When it comes to image quality, looks great on a phone. There's no doubt about that. It's absolutely made for it. But when you put it on a desktop computer with a big screen, you do notice that it's a half-inch sensor with a maximum bitrate of 75 megabits per second. I tend to shoot at the maximum 4K 30, but I think there are times when you want smoother action, so it might be worth shooting at 1080p at 50 frames a second in Australia. It really doesn't matter nowadays anyway. And at $299 Australian, it's a cracking deal. So what do you think? Are you going to get a DJI Neo for Christmas? Very easy to use. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you next time on imagematrix.tech.